Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for all of us, inflammation and how we can combat it with some delicious, refreshing drinks. You know, inflammation is that sneaky little thing that can lead to a whole host of health issues if we're not careful. But don't worry, I've got 5 amazing drinks that not only taste great, but also help fight inflammation and boost your overall health. So, let's get into it. First up, we have the classic turmeric golden milk. If you haven't tried this yet, you're seriously missing out. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. To make this drink, just warm up some almond or coconut milk, whisk in a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. It's like a cozy hug in a mug. Plus, it's perfect for winding down after a long day. Next on our list is a vibrant beetroot juice. Beets are not only beautiful, but also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. You can blend fresh beets with some carrots, a bit of ginger, and a splash of lemon juice for a refreshing kick. Trust me, this drink is not just good for your insides, it's a total mood booster. And the color? Absolutely stunning. It's like drinking a rainbow. Now let's talk about green tea. This one's a classic, but it deserves a spot on our list. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which are known to reduce inflammation. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and if you want to spice things up, add a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint. It's a simple drink that you can sip throughout the day, and it's packed with health benefits. Plus, it gives you that gentle caffeine boost without the jitters. If you are enjoying this video and want more health tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Moving on, we have a refreshing cucumber and mint cooler. This drink is perfect for hot summer days. Just blend fresh cucumber with some mint leaves, a splash of lime juice, and water. It's hydrating, refreshing, and the mint adds a lovely aroma that just screams summer. Cucumbers are great for hydration, and mint can help soothe your digestive system. It's like a spa day in a glass. Last but definitely not least, we can't forget about the power of berries. A mixed berry smoothie is not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to fight inflammation. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants and vitamins. Just throw a handful of mixed berries into a blender with some yogurt or almond milk. Add a banana for creaminess and blend until smooth. It's a quick and easy breakfast or snack that your body will thank you for. So there you have it, 5 refreshing drinks that are not just tasty but also help fight inflammation and boost your health. Incorporating these into your routine can be a game changer. Remember, taking care of our bodies doesn't have to be boring or bland. With these drinks, you can enjoy delicious flavors while reaping the benefits. Cheers to your health and happy sipping.